just as epic as the other two. It's really an incredible river system here. Amazing. Absolutely incredible. Found a little pool back down the river a bit. It's got a deep pool. I think I'm going to go swim in away from all the hectic waterfall. It's a little too crazy up here to take a dip. I mean, I could walk under the waterfall and get a massage. I might do that. But pretty epic hike today. Fun birthday. It's just magical. Really magical here. Boquete Panama. There's a lot to do here. Went on the mini canyon and hot springs tour yesterday. It was really epic. I got some good footage. My camera died. I didn't get any shots or footage of the hot springs, but got a lot of the mini canyon. Epic weekend here. Headed back to Costa Rica tomorrow.